Hey guys, welcome to another product showcase video. Today's item is going to be from the Scythe company. This is their Kaze Master Pro fan controller, model number KM03-BK. This is a 5¼ inch fan controller. It controls 6 fans, 6 separate fan settings. Comes in a very nice package, very colorful. Once again, their product has a lot of information on the box itself, telling you different specifications, different multilingual specifications also, as well as warranty information, little information about the product itself and the connectors, as well as a complete list of what comes inside the box with it. We're going to open up the box here and show you what all is in there. Okay, it comes packaged in this very nice styrofoam box to make sure everything stays protected. It comes with your install manual, your 4 mounting screws to mount it in your case, as well as some adhesive material to mount your temperature controllers, or temperature monitors I should say. An assortment of 3 to 4 pin connectors for all your different fans, a Molex pass-through to power the unit itself, and here's all of our temperature senders themselves. Here's the base unit. We're going to slide this out and have a better look at it. It's got a nice matte black finish and a very nice, smooth, shiny gloss finish on the front, which would look nice in your case. It has 6 control knobs. Each knob will control an individual fan, and then it has 2 selector knobs on the end. The selectors will pick which fan it is you're monitoring on the display. The nice thing about this fan controller is that they decided to only display 2 fans at one time. That way the lettering can be large enough that you can actually read it, versus trying to cram all that information onto one screen where it's so small you can't really see what you're doing. So on this side we have our selector for fans 1, 2, and 3. And on this side we have 4, 5, and 6. So we'll pick which fan that we want to control, and that's the one that'll display. It has a very nice back connection panel on it, as well as some jumper settings to set different things, like muting your alarm. This does have a built-in alarm that'll warn you if a fan stops working. It has a built-in beeper in it, so that it can tell you if a temperature has reached too high of a setting, or if a fan has stopped working on you. And we're going to hook this up and hook some fans to it and see how it performs. A little information that I'm going to give you on this, give you the specs on this item. It has an overall dimension of 148.5 by 42 by 83 millimeter. The display dimension itself, your display screen, is 100 millimeter by 19 millimeter. Your DC input is 5 volt by 12 volt, or 2 12 volt. DC output is 3.7 volt to 12 volt. So it will run your fans all the way down to 3.7 volt if they will run at that speed. Output amperage is 1 amp per channel. Temperature range is 0 to 100 Celsius. And fan speed range is 0 to 9,990. So I doubt you'll find a fan that's going to spin faster than that it won't be able to monitor it. And overall weight of the unit is 325 grams, or about 10.5 ounces. Okay, we're going to plug in some fans and give this a try. Okay, we just hooked up a couple of fans, a couple of different size ones, a 92 millimeter and a 120 millimeter, just to read out the different RPMs. Each display will read the RPM for that fan as well as the temperature for that sensor. Each one of the fan wires themselves are labeled, which is nice, so when you get them into the case you're not confused as to which one is going to which fan or which knob on the controller. They're labeled 1 through 6 as well as the temperature sensors. You click on the fan that you want, like in this case 6 is our 120 millimeter. We can turn the knob and adjust the RPMs on that fan. We'll crank that all the way up, about 1680 RPMs, 1700. And we can turn this down, I think on this fan as low as about 700. 630. Okay, it looks like under about 540 it goes off. There's our fan alarm. Something else I wanted to demonstrate is if the fan stops, I'm just going to stop this fan so you can hear the alarm. It's going to give you a warning that a particular fan had stopped. In this case it flashes F6, which tells you it's number 6 fan that had stopped. So no matter what the fan is or which ones you happen to be monitoring on the screen at the time, it's going to flash and tell you which fan is going bad. So if you don't happen to be displaying that fan, say it was number 3 or number 4 or something and you weren't looking at it, that alarm will go off and it'll tell you which fan it is, so that you can find out what the problem is before things overheat. Each one of the fan wires and the temperature sender wires are about 29 inches long, so pretty good length for most cases. Maybe in some full towers you might need to have an extension or something for a couple of your fans, your top fans, but I think in most cases that 29 inches is going to be enough for most people in most situations. But that does it for this product review. We want to thank Scythe for providing this item for our product showcase. Remember, this is the Kaze Master Pro KM03-BK fan controller, and thank you for watching.